To add an American Express gift card to the Oculus app, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Oculus app installed on your device and that you are logged into your account. Next, navigate to the Oculus Store by tapping the store icon at the bottom of the screen. Once in the store, tap the menu icon and select Payment Methods. Here, you will see a list of your current payment methods. Tap Add Payment Method to proceed. You will then be prompted to select the type of payment method you want to add. Choose credit or debit card and enter the gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to select American Express as the card type. After entering the card details, tap Save to add the gift card as a payment method. You will then be asked to verify the gift card by receiving a verification code sent to the email address associated with the gift card. Enter the verification code and tap Verify to complete the process. Once the gift card has been successfully added, you can use it to make purchases in the Oculus Store. To do this, navigate to the item you want to purchase and tap Buy Now. Select the American Express gift card as your payment method and confirm the purchase. The amount will be deducted from your gift card balance. It is essential to note that you should only use gift cards that are authorized for use in your region and that you should always keep your gift card details secure to avoid unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add an American Express gift card to the Oculus app and start making purchases. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your gift card before making a purchase.